What's up, guys? We're back on the R9 today. My buddy's over there on the S1K, and we're on our way to a pretty big group ride. I'm kind of the one hosting it. I kind of just made a post for it, so I don't know what to expect as far as how many people are going to be there, but I guess we'll see. I think it'll be pretty big. I'm going to be stuck behind this guy. I'm going to try not to talk too much on the way there because I know my mic likes to cut out when I'm on the highway going over like 75 or 80. Pretty good. I've been going to the lot on my Z125 a bunch lately, so it's kind of tricky trying to transfer it back to this, but I just need a little bit of practice and I'll get it. But yeah, the plan is we're going to meet up at one spot and then take kind of like a roundabout way around the city, and then me and a couple other people are going to do like a private shoot type thing. I mean, I'm expecting at least like 20, 30, 40 bikes to show up. I just fixed an exhaust leak that was pretty bad on this bike. I don't know if I'm imagining it or what, but it feels like it has more power. I'm probably just imagining it, but... I also think I need to like bleed my rear brake or maybe just get new pads. It just feels really squishy. It doesn't really work very well. Let's see if I can pop one up. Oh yeah, they're feeling pretty good today. I'm just chilling up here. Oh, he's going slow. AI generated. Oh damn, he's got it up there. Right, in one of my last videos I talked about wanting to paint my wheels like a silver chrome color. And that right there, what he has on his bike, that's exactly what I want to do. I just can't decide if I want to do it and keep the blue or what. I thought about wrapping this bike black, but I do love the blue a lot, so I just don't know if I want to change it. They want a wheelie. They're loving it. I love stuff like that. Like, that was literally me a couple of years ago. It is like my favorite corner. Oh, yeah. Oh shit, this bike's up there. I bet they're going to the same place. I guess those bikes were going to the same place. I love ramping this. Hold up. Holy shit, there's a lot of bikes here. I was not expecting that. Alright. That's a lot of people. What's up? Yeah. What's up, dude? What's up? Good. That's a lot of people. I figured it'd be like just us. Shit, I think there's still a few more people who need to pull up. But yeah, I'm gonna cut it right now and get back when we're about to leave. Dude, this is a ton of bikes. I was not expecting this many people, but kind of crazy. All I did is post on my story. Well, here we go. Hopefully everyone here has a little bit of common sense. I don't really know most of the guys, so kind of just have to hope that no one does anything stupid. Holy shit, dude. Hell yeah, dude. Yeah. This has got to be like the craziest rod I've ever been on locally. Hey, it's another R9. Never mind, that's R1. Oh shit! See if I can sneak through here. That R1 sounds insane, dude. Where is he going? No. Already taking the wrong turns. Why are we doing flybys in a group ride, bro? Bro, this is crazy. God damn, not all one's loud. Oh my god, he just got that thing more mafia tuned. It's absolutely insane. I'm sure the camera's not doing it any justice, but it sounds like gunshots. Dude, bunny hops on the highway is insane. Oh shit, here. Bro, this is so many bikes. Huh? So many people. I know! Apparently. What the hell's going on over there? Low road rage. That boy cooking. Dude, I haven't been talking much. There's just so much going on. I think we've picked up like 10 or 20 bikes just while we've been riding. We've been losing like 1 or 2 people on every exit we pass just because they don't know where we're going. Okay. I guess we're racing. We're like 10 minutes away from the destination. That was a lot crazier than I expected. This Sheets is about to get overrun with bikes. I think most of the people here already probably just couldn't make it to the ride and just went to the destination, I'm assuming. A couple people got stuck at the light, bro. That was quite different than I expected. I don't know if I'm gonna ride more and record more after this or I'm gonna just stop right now, but bro, this is actually unreal. Yeah, definitely let me know if I should do more stuff like this. That was something.
Huh?
That was something.
A little rough for the first one, but...
Yeah.
Whoa, holy...
There's a lot of people.
This is like, I ain't never done some shit like this before.